Hartman Oil, founded in 1920 by W.L. Hartman. Hartman Oil Company is a third-generation family business which currently operates over 600 wells in Kansas and Oklahoma. President Wink Hartman purchased the business from his father, Ralph, in 1990 and has grown the company to one of the largest independent oil producers in Kansas. Key factors in the growth of the company has been the addition of well servicing, drilling, and trunking. In addition to acquisitions and drilling, innovations play a major role in Hartman Oil's continued growth.
Well, the growth of Hartman Oil has been ongoing thanks to computerization and the continual updating of not only the hardware but the software. The geological department uses it continually for 3D seismic, which makes it much easier to find oil. Even our safety director uses it on all the drug testing, which we do for each employee, and also the safety manuals and the creation of the safety programs that he does. We use it in HR, in production tracking, our oil and gas, and presently at Hartman Oil we are updating not only our software to the Solomon programs, which will track it easier, but we're also using new hardware to make it faster for our employees to create their task.
Continually identifying needs and looking for solutions have provided Hartman Oil with reduced downtime, lower operating costs, and increased speed to market. The success of Hartman Oil has led to a broad range of charitable contributions and has allowed investment opportunities in many other well-known Wichita business ventures, including the Wichita Wild, Hartman Arena, Jimmy's Egg, and Chester's Chop House. An entrepreneurial spirit and a commitment to community involvement are just two reasons Hartman Oil is named a finalist for Small Business of the Year.